A new milestone in the fight against COVID-19. The FDA gave the final approval for Pfizer's COVID vaccine. The vaccine is now fully approved for people ages 16 and older. Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine, the first one to be fully approved by federal regulators. FDA officials hope the approval lifts public confidence in the vaccine among the unvaccinated. And the approval is what some people say they were waiting for. Joe Moeller is live at the Stan Fulton building where a COVID testing and vaccine clinic is underway to tell us how this approval could increase the lines there and other places as well, Joe.
OBrien, since the vaccine came out, many people have been on the fence about getting this until the FDA did that full approval like we heard this morning. Now with this announcement, some medical experts hope more people will head out to clinics just like this and that we can get more people to start getting fully vaccinated.
At first, I didn't think it was safe.
With full approval, more people are lining up to get their shot.
Since they approved it, now I know it's safe. And I'd rather get it than not get it.
Hours after the FDA approved the COVID-19 Pfizer vaccine, a pop-up clinic at the Rafael Riviera Community Center in East Las Vegas was getting busy.
It helps because there's still a lot of people that are scared to get the vaccine.
This is the first COVID-19 vaccine to get full approval. Up until now, it was on the market with an emergency use authorization.
But in terms of approval, this is the final step.
Vaccine expert Dr. Jonathan Bakhtari from E7 Health says there is no higher approval the vaccine can get.
This is now the world's largest study before an approval.
Under the emergency use authorization, millions received the vaccine. He says this makes it one of the most studied vaccines.
There's been no vaccine ever approved in the United States ever that had not only the 40-some-odd thousand that Pfizer's giving the FDA, but we're also giving the FDA the 92 million people that got the vaccine as part of their analysis.
Clinics like the one at the Rafael Riviera Community Center will continue to pop up.
It's a trust factor.
Peter Guzman from the Latino Chamber of Commerce says this may push more people to get to clinics like this.
I think it'll give people more confidence, and that's kind of what we've been waiting for. Those people that are, a little bit nervous. I think now, with the FDA approval, it'll certainly get them over the hump of being nervous and scared.
Now back out here live, the Johnson & Johnson and Moderna vaccines are still being studied, but approval is expected for those as well. Now you're taking a look at a line of vehicles here for the testing and vaccination clinic going on here. This goes on till about 10:30 this evening and will reopen tomorrow at 5:30. But cars do start lining up around 4 o'clock. Reporting live at UNLV, Joe Moeller, 8 News Now.